Now this is the next point as for the lanthanides, that is here separation of lanthanides by ion exchange methods. Now there are so many methods as concerned to lanthanide contractions, that is lanthanide separations as concerned to that is to separate in case of each and every elements into the separate parts. That is solvent extraction method, ionization methods. These are the modern methods which are used for the separation of lanthanides. Now we are going to see separation of lanthanides by ion exchange methods. Now ion exchange method is nothing but here use of exchangeable ions can be takes place as concerned to the materials. When we have taken as a material, it is a organic polymers, water insoluble material. The names can be given as concerned to Dovex 50, Dovex 50, Umbellite IR 120, Umbellite IR 120 can be taken. Again Nalsite can be taken. Again Geocarb can be taken. Geocarb 215. These are the numbers as concerned to organic polymers. They will be exchangeable capacity. Here cation exchanger, anion exchanger can be available. But in case of lanthanide series, these are the cations, and therefore here exchange of cations will be essential, and therefore cation exchange reagents can be used. Dovex 50, Umbellite IR 120, Nalsite, Geocarb 215. And these compounds can be taken as concerned to they will be taken in the billets. Now generally how the principle can be played, just we have seen here, that is which principle can be used for the separations. Just we have seen in case of the consequences of lanthanide contractions. First we have seen basicity can be decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. This idea, this principle can be used. Again atomic size, it can be decreases from the lanthanum to lutetium. That is mostly very small size will be taken as concerned to lutetium. Lanthanum is a large size. This idea can be taken. Again what happens here? Basicity, again size can be decreases. Again that is here when we goes, that is the ions. These ions having the selectivity in the increasing orders as concerned to decrease in the size of the cations, size of the lanthanides. When the size can be decreases, very small size, it can be firstly react with the, you can say, ammonium citrate solutions, and it can be false bands in case of the separation, you can say grades. And therefore generally here, that is selectivity, it can be increases with decrease in the size of the cations, means lanthanides. And how the column can be prepared? This column, that is these organic polymers, these are water insoluble. They can be weighted by the waters. They will be filled in the billet. There is a supporting column, support for this organic polymer can be taken. It is called as the wool. This wool, glass wool can be taken. Glass wool is not soluble in case of different types of the acids. Hence, glass wool can be useful for the support in case of the you can say organic polymers. First of all, you should fill the organic polymers, weighted organic polymers with the support glass wools, and then you should pass the aqueous solution of the Ln3 plus ions in case of resin columns. Once the resin column we have taken, this can be represented as 3HR. That is, you can say HR. H means, here H stands for exchangeable ions, R stands for resin columns. That is, these are the reagents, they are having cation exchange properties, and they can be exchanged H plus ions. And once that is, we have added Ln3 plus ions from the top, the Ln3 ions can be adsorbed in case of the, you can say, organic polymers, organic reagents, and replacement of H plus ions can be take place. Now in this way, here Ln3 plus ions plus 3HR, it can be used Ln R3 that is lanthanide ions, they will be adsorbed on the resin columns. One lanthanum, when it can be adsorbed, 3H plus ions will be replaced. Why? Because lanthanide ions possesses common oxidation state 3 plus. That is here 3H plus ions comes in the eluation process, and therefore generally what happens here at the top here lanthanum 3 plus ion it can be adsorbed because its size is large, and when we have taken the lutetium it can be possesses small size, the band can be appears near to the glass wools because its size is very small, and therefore totally they can be dropped as concerned to lutetium, ytterbium. In this way lanthanum where different types of bands can be obtained. Again you should add the ammonium citrate solutions. Here ammonium citrate solution can be added from the top. This NH4 citrate solution can be added. NH4 citrate 3 solutions can be added, and therefore generally what happens here, it is called as the ammonium citrate. When we have added as the ammonium citrate from the top, that time each bands can be separated. First of all here lutetium band can be comes from the grade. Here lutetium band will be comes. Lutetium band it will be goes here, that is first of all separation comes as concerned to lutetium, and lastly here lanthanum will be comes. This band can be separated lastly because its size is large. Lutetium comes first, this size will be very small. In this way, that is once the addition of the ammonium citrate solutions LnR3, this is the resin part, again ammonium citrate solution added, here 3NH4R can be taken, and totally the lanthanides which would be comes in the different types of grades, they consist of the Ln citrate 3 ammonium, that is lanthanide citrates, and this citrate part can be removed and each element can be obtained as concerned here. First of all, there is the concentration of lutetium can be taken, ytterbium, again you can say thulium. In this way lastly we should take as a lanthanum. The separation can be carried out as concerned to the ion exchange methods, where the exchange of the ions can be occurs. Lanthanide possesses 3 plus oxidation state. The exchange of the 3H plus ions can be takes place by 1 lanthanum ions. In this way the separation can be occurs. This is a modern method which can be used clear cut separations. Again regeneration of the column can be essential. When we have taken as a 5NH4R, this will be a resin part. When we have taken NH4R, we should add HCl here. When we have taken HCl, that time generally what happens here, the RH part will be regenerated. Here HR can be obtained, which we have used here. This HR plus NH4Cl. This NH4Cl can be goes below, and totally here resin column can be regenerated. It can be continuously used. There is no wastage of the resin can be takes place. Again that is advantages of this method will be the resin column will be regenerated, no wastage of the resin column takes place. Within short time clear cut separation can be occurs, and therefore this method is called as the modern method, and this would be separated. It is a highly beneficial for the separation of lanthanides. In this way separation can be carried out.